Welcome dear students to Sanjeevani Education Group. So be ready to learn mathematics with me. Good afternoon dear students. Continue with the previous lecture. We'll see now the fifth example. Integration of cos 6x into square root of 1 plus sin 6x dx. Now here we'll put 1 plus sin 6x equals to t. Differentiating on both the sides we are getting cos 6x dx into 6. So 6 will take to the right hand side, it will be dt by 6. So we'll put cos 6x dx as a dt by 6. So we are getting 1 by 6 integration of. Now here we have taken this term as a t, so it will be in a root. So it will be root t dt. Now we know that t raised to half is there. Then its integration will be t raised to half plus 1, that is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into 1 by 6. We know that 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 3 will be 9 and t raised to 3 by 2 power plus constant of integration. Okay, now we will resubstitute the value of t. It will be 1 plus sin 6x. So 1 upon 9 into 1 plus sin 6x raised to 3 by 2 plus constant of integration. Understood? Now the next example, sixth one. Integration of sec square of log x upon x dx. Now here we'll put log x equals to t, so that we are getting 1 by x dx as a dt. It is there 1 by x into dx. Okay, so we'll put here dt. Now sec square t dt. Now we know that integration of sec square t is tan t. So it will be tan t plus constant of integration. After resubstituting the value of t, we are getting tan of log of x plus constant of integration. Understood? Now the seventh example, integration of sec square of 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Now student, it is very clear that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So we'll put 2 times tan inverse x equals to t. Differentiating on both the sides, we are getting 2 upon 1 plus x square dx equals to dt. But here only dx by 1 plus x square is there. So we'll take this 2 this side. It will be 1 upon 2. It will be 1 upon 2. Now dx upon 1 plus x square equals to dt by 2. So after substituting 2 tan inverse equals to t, we have integration of sec square t into dx upon 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by 2 into dt. So it will be 1 upon 2 dt. We know that integration of sec square t is a tan t. So it will be tan t upon 2 plus constant of integration. Now after resubstituting the value of t, it will be tan of 2 tan inverse x upon 2 plus constant of integration. Now the eighth example, integration of e raised to minus x into cosec square in bracket 2 e raised to minus x plus 5 dx. So we'll put this bracket term as a t. So we are getting 2 e raised to minus x plus 5 equals to t. So after differentiating on both the sides, we have minus 2, because e raised to minus x, its derivative will be e raised to minus x into minus 1. So it will be minus 2 e raised to minus x, derivative of 5 will be 0, dx equals to dt. Now it is equal to e raised to minus x dx equal to minus dt upon 2. Now we'll put this value. It will be integration of cosec square t. Now e raised to minus x dx, we have minus dt by 2. So it will be minus dt by 2. We know that. Now we'll take 1 by 2 outside. It will be now integration of minus cosec square t dt. Now integration of minus cosec square t is equal to cot t. So it will be 1 by 2 into cot t plus constant of integration. Now after resubstituting the value of t, we have cot of 2 e raised to minus x plus 5 upon 2 plus constant of integration. Understood? Now the next example, integration of e raised to x into 1 plus x upon cos square x into e raised to x. Now here students, if we'll see this angle of cos square, we have x into e raised to x. If we'll differentiate this, we'll get this term numerator. So we'll put x into e raised to x equals to t. So after differentiating, we have derivative of 1, x will be 1, so e raised to x as it is plus x as it is, and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Bracket dx equals to dt. So we can take out ex. So it will be e raised to x into 1 plus x dx equals to dt. Now we'll put this, it will be dt by, now this term will be e raised to x into 1 plus x dx will be equal to dt, and cos square t will be there. So in the next step it will be integration of sec square t dt. Now we know that integration of sec square t is equal to tan t plus constant of integration. Now after resubstituting the value of t, it will be tan of x into e raised to x plus constant of integration. Understood?